Hey there, folks! We've got an inspiring story to share with you today about a regular guy named Joe, and how he made a surprising breakthrough with Speechelo. Fasten your seatbelts, cause this story is about to take off. Our friend Joe was just a regular university student. A bit overwhelmed with his courses, looking for a solution, he got Speechelo to transform his long, tedious course notes into engaging, human-like audio. Brilliant, right? Now, here's where things get interesting. Joe became a new dad. And like all new parents, he found himself buying a plethora of baby products. So, he thought, why not share my experience with others? And boom, a blog was born. He wrote about his fatherhood journey and reviewed the baby products he actually bought and liked. But, alas, his blog wasn't attracting much traffic or sales. But Joe's a problem solver. Remember, he realized that review videos could be the game changer. People love seeing products in action, don't they? But there was a catch. Joe wasn't a video expert and wasn't keen on showing his face on camera. Then, a light bulb moment, he decided to use Speechelo, the tool he'd been using for his study notes. Joe created simple slideshow videos with photos of his beautiful family and the products he'd bought, using Speechelo to transform his blog text into engaging audio. Genius, isn't it? And guess what? It worked. His views started to soar minus 10, 20, 30 views a day, and he knew he was onto something big. Fast forward for months, and with more videos under his belt, he was getting a regular 200 to 250 daily views. Now, the cherry on top, he monetized his videos with his Amazon associate links, and voila! He just had his first $1,000 month. What started as a side hustle has now become a significant income source for Joe. From studying to earning, Joe's story is proof that with a little creativity, anyone can achieve unexpected success with Speechelo. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories like this, and remember, the sky's the limit when you're willing to innovate.